This is behind the mill. Ooh, it's... Whee!
Be careful.
You guys better appreciate this. It's shitty weather out here. Check that out, guys. Is that not cool? Look at that waterfall. That is so cool. Hey, Gingy! Oh, man, you know it'd be like to live over on that side. Oh, there's a walking path over there. So here's a waterfall for you guys that love waterfalls. I'll put this on my waterfall playlist. Oh, you can feed the trunk for 25 cents. I don't have 25 cents. But man, it is shitty weather today. Man, it is crappy weather out. But this is right at the Nora Mill Granary, grist mill, and country store here in Helen. If you guys want to see it, just be super careful. All right, we'll see you in the next one. We're going to the winery next. Bye, guys. Tell them where we're going next.
Haversham Winery.
All right, let's go.